I'm in confusion. Can you help me out? The thing is, I have two books in my hand. One is Getting to Yes, another one is Never Eat Alone. So the confusion is which one I should start reading first, Never Eat Alone or Getting to Yes? I'm really confused. So if you can suggest me, let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime, as I'm confused which one I should start reading first, instead of doing that, I want to share some words or idiomatic expressions related to being confused. So let's get started. The thing is, I'll share the words first. So what are these words? The first one is baffled. You can use baffled instead of confused. Also, you can say perplexed. Then you can use clueless. And the next one is you can use stumped. So these are four words you can use instead of being confused or instead of confused. And then let me share the idiomatic expressions. Definitely, I will tell you the meaning at the same time. I'll give you the examples of these idiomatic expressions so that you can use these idiomatic expressions while you are in front of the examiner in the IELTS speaking test. And definitely these words or expressions I'm going to share will help you to get good mark in IELTS speaking test. So what is the first one? The first one is at a loss. Well, especially when we cannot express ourselves properly, then we use these idiomatic expressions at a loss. So you can use like this: when my teacher asked me about my future plan, I was at a loss. So this is the sentence. And what is the next one? The next one is all mixed up. We sometimes do such kind of thing, especially whenever we are thinking a lot about lots of things. Then we say all mixed up. You can use this expression in a sentence like this: my thoughts all mixed up. I don't know where to start. So this is really interesting and high sounding. So what is the next one? The next one is draw a blank. This is my favorite one because I sometimes do this kind of things. Well, we use this in a sentence like this, especially whenever we are, in a confusion, especially about remembering information. Then we use this idiomatic expression. You can say, I drew a blank when I was asked about my phone number because I never memorized my phone number in life. So use this sentence. So what is the next one and last one? The last one is scratching one's head. Well, last day it happened to me. I was in a restaurant for my lunch and I was ordering. That time I faced it because I was literally scratching my head because I could not decide which menu I should order. So you can use this in a sentence like this: I was scratching my head whenever I was asked to select the menu for the party. So use these idiomatic expressions while you are talking about confusion and while you are really in difficult situation to find out words or information and you cannot decide which thing you should choose and which thing you should not. So thank you, and don't forget, I asked you one thing. I asked your help that which book I should start reading first, Getting to Yes or Never Eat Alone. Let me know in the comment section below. And another thing is, I know many of your friends are confused in some cases, and some friends are really in confusion. Let them know and mention them in the comment section, okay, so that they can use these idiomatic expressions while they are in confusion. Okay, thank you for watching.